open up. Today we're gonna show you magic tricks. I'm 5 and I know a lot of magic tricks. I even know how to get a penny in the ear. So let's show you. First magic trick is this one. So you put this thing in and you tell what color you want, and then you put it in, and then you mix it all up, and you tell what color it is. Is it a yellow one? Is it a green one? Is it a purple one? Let's see. It's a purple one. We're going to do the next trick. This next trick, you can't see anything in it, but here they are. It comes with balls and this cube. Oh, and I'll show you what this one, it comes with this cube and this box. The next trick is,
That's our sister.
The next trick is this sword one. So you try to put it out, but it can't do it. So let's do this. It worked. Or it can't do it. Now it can. It comes with this stone and this sword. Oh, and it comes with the dragon. Is really fun. It's easy too. So it has these diamonds on this and pictures that you love. I'll show you how to do it. Abracadabra, abracazam, make it turn reddish pink. See, it's turned reddish pink. Let's turn it back. It's going to turn white. I know white is a very good color, but it's certainly not show. So let's turn it to white again. We did it! So it comes with this box and this